AI 买当控制森林大火，这是单位开发 AI 无人机的防灾警示系统，会当来侦测甲分析火源。也若伫美国加州是甲 AI 结合监视系统，来提早分析火灾灾情，降低火灾脱烧的机会。
台北新创公司罗巴托的首席技术长伫北部大城二堡郊区测试无人机侦测火灾功能，任务显示无人机咧刷震动伫几分钟之内，即只有 AI 人工智慧判断甲智能感应器的无人机就找到导火点。
So we trained a model to identify smoke or flame, but we are also looking for heat signatures. So by combining them, we can be certain that it's actually a fire.
奥尔堡大厦甲新创企业产学合作研发出的无人机，使用 AI 分析侦测烟雾，算出风速甲炭烧的范围，找出火势上强的所在，减少消防员研判火场资讯的时间，帮助加速拍火资源分配，并赶紧控制火势。
We are sending all of the camera feeds up to this, as well as telemetry of the drone. And then we have our AI process the data in real time, and then we are sending commands back to the drone. So those commands are where to fly next, where to point the camera, which data to be visualized and sent through to the firefighters. The very early stages of a wildfire, those first moments are critical in making sure the wildfire is not running out of control.
每年处理几啊千件火灾的美国加州消防队，采用加州大厦旧金山分校研发的 AI 警示系统，将1000多个监视摄影机串联 AI 系统电脑，针对范围内烟雾分析，若发现是火源，佮经过人工确认，马上启动消防警报。到即嘛已经成功拿查几啊件可能引起严重灾情的火灾。
So they're scanning the horizons and seeing if there's smoke or potential fire or potential trouble spots that we can be alerted to take a look at or see if we need to get a response going prior to getting any 911 calls on it.
目前系统上大难题是充满有雾头粉的歹天气，会影响 AI 的辨识能力。不过消防单位有愿肯定伊的有经功效。
We beat 911 calls about 40% of the time. And it's going to get better. The future is very promising because now we're having more people teach it, more data. Machine learning and how AI works is based on the quality and the quantity of data it can ingest so that it knows what smoke looks like and the varieties of smoke.
公司新闻张淑芬报道。